Kevin Lombard here with Lombard Equipment. With me I have my associate Duke, who's going to help us today show you the Pro Spot AL-5. This is an aluminum workstation. Normally this welder sells for around $8,500. As you can see, it's in excellent condition. It's got everything complete with it. You got your aluminum hammers with it. You got your small puller, which is the Pro Pull. We have a big puller on the back. This unit also, too, on the back has an optional folding bench. So if you're working a panel, you can bring it and attach it right to the unit and use it as like a workstation. Inside the drawer here, you have your temperature gun, you have your hot air gun, brand new, still in the wrapper. You have your consumable kit. Everything's there, folks, ready to go. The Pro Spot AL-5 aluminum workstation. Normally, like I said, this sells for around $8,500. We have this for $29.95. It's ready to go. If you don't have an aluminum workstation, now's the time. You can't say no for that kind of money. Call the 800 number.